Namaste and welcome to my channel. I recreated this Deepika Padukone's look. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you want to see how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. For priming my face today, I'm going to go ahead and use this Versace Skin Blur Primer. I'm also going to take this MAC Strobing Cream in the shade Gold Light. I'm going to take this strobing cream and only apply it wherever I'm going to highlight later on. Next, I'm going to take this Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer, and I'm in the shade SX11. Using a Morphe 173, I'm going to take it under my eyes and around my mouth area. I'm also going to grab my Marc Jacobs Dew Drops in the shade Do You, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my face using a foundation brush. For my foundation today, I'm going to go ahead and use the Stick Foundation from Hourglass, and I'm in the shade Golden Tan. Using a stippling brush from Sonia Kashuk, I'm going to go ahead and blend my foundation. For highlighting today, I'm going to go ahead and use Huda Beauty's Overachiever in the shade Toasted Almond. I'm going to take some on my brush and I'm going to take it just under my eyes. For highlighting today, I'm going to go ahead and use NARS Creamy Concealer, and I'm in the shade Custard. Using a wet beauty blender, I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to take it over my eyes as well. Using a translucent powder from Too Faced, I'm going to go ahead and set it under my eyes. I'm going to take some on my brush and press it under my eyes. For my bronzer today, I'm going to go ahead and use this Marc Jacobs bronzer in the shade 102. I'm going to apply my bronzer using this big fan brush. For my blush today, I'm going to go ahead and use Melba from MAC Cosmetics. I'm going to take this Fix Plus from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Gold Light, and I'm going to spray it all over my face. Before the spray dries, I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty blender to press the product in. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab Versace's Jelly Beam in the shade Glazed. I'm going to take some on my beauty blender, and I'm going to start pressing it right here. I'm going to take it on my forehead as well. And once there's almost nothing left on my beauty blender, I'm going to take it all over my face. Next, I'm going to take this highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to take the highlighter on the big fluffy brush. This is from BH Cosmetics number 2. First, I'm going to go ahead and stipple it in this area. Then I'm going to start blending it, starting from my forehead. Whenever we apply our highlighter like this, it gives it a more natural look. For my eyes today, I'm going to go ahead and go back into the Omega bronzer. And using a Morphe 535, I'm going to take it in my crease. It seemed like Deepika almost had nothing on her eyes. So I'm going to go back into the highlighter. And I'm going to take some on my fingers. And I'm going to take it all over my lid. Then I'm going to grab my Morphe 535 again and blend everything out. I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in my upper and lower lash line. Actually, I'm just going to take it on my upper lash line. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab this eyeliner from Tarte, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a very thin eyeliner. I'm going to take this eyeliner from Molly Cosmetics in the shade Chocolate, and I'm going to take it in my lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows using this brow pencil for Benefits Cosmetics, and I'm in the shade 4. For my mascara today, I'm going to go ahead and use Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. For my lips today, I'm going to go ahead and use MAC's Lip Liner in the shade Burgundy. I'm also going to go ahead and fill in my lips using the same lip liner. I'm also going to take this lipstick from Urban Decay in the shade Sheer Liar. And as usual, I'm going to go ahead and set my face using my Urban Decay All-Nighter. And here's the finished look, you guys. I want to thank you for spending your time with me today. I hope you get to recreate this look. If you like the way this look has turned out today, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Ciao!